के लोगों को जब पता चलेगा कि इतना बढ़िया पोर्ट ये अदानी ने यहां केरल में बनाया है, ये गुजरात में 30 साल से पोर्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक वहां उन्होंने ऐसा पोर्ट नहीं बनाया। तब उनको गुजरात के लोगों से गुस्सा शायद करने के लिए तैयार रहना पड़ेगा।
Prime Minister Modi has commissioned India's first deep water transshipment port at Kerala's Vizhinjam. This is a pivotal step towards making India a global shipping hub and lowering transshipment costs. Basically, a transshipment port is one which includes terminals where cargo containers are shifted from one vessel to another before they reach their final destination. These ports are used to process large amounts of international cargo. Until now, India lacked a full-fledged deep water container transshipment port, so we did not have the infrastructure to handle large vessels. 75% of our transshipment cargo is routed through foreign ports like Colombo, Singapore and Jebel Ali in UAE. This means longer transit times and potential delays. It also costs domestic traders an additional $80 to $100 per container. India is also estimated to be losing between $220 million in a year in potential income from servicing its own cargo due to not having our own port. Self-reliance will also mitigate the impact of any geopolitical shocks on India's supply chains. And here is where the new port comes in. It's been built at a cost of about 8,900 crore rupees under a public-private partnership or PPP mode. It's operated by the Adani Group with the Kerala government holding majority stake. Besides being the only transshipment hub in India, it's also close to international shipping routes due to its strategic location. India will be able to receive huge mother vessels carrying as many as 20,000 containers. Cargo from these ships can be offloaded onto smaller ships and then go to different ports in India and abroad. It is also deep enough for the world's largest cargo vessels to dock without dredging, which is a costly process and bad for the environment. It is normally used to deepen shallow ports. It also experiences minimal sand movement along the coast, unlike most Indian ports, which reduces maintenance costs. It's just 2 kilometers away from a national highway, 12 kilometers from a main rail, and 15 kilometers from Trivandrum Airport. So this will help India save costs, be more efficient, and boost global trade competitiveness. Hope you liked this video. For more such content, keep watching Mint.